Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. So we're going to break down the Racer High Racer Full Gauntlet riding gloves. The Racer High Racer gloves retail for $249.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand when we update videos, the pricing changes. Only the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is one of three race / you can use them on the street too, / street gauntlets in the Racer line. Each of the gloves is a standout. No question. They're all a little bit different. We're going to articulate the differences in a standalone video where I talk about all three models at the same time. Focusing on the High Racer now. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I got on a 2X right now. They fit great right out of the bag. These are going to require a little bit of break-in no time at all. These are going to fit perfect. Racer bills themselves as the best fitting gloves, and I got to tell you, all of our experience with that brand has indicated that is a true statement. These gloves all fit fantastic. What are the standout features of the High Racer? There's a ton of carbon fiber used in this to bolster protection. You'll see it here on all the knuckles and the fingers. Knuckle, back of the hand, end of the ulna, forearm, two knuckles here on the thumb as well. All that stuff slides really well, almost impossible to wear through, tons of protection. With the knuckle here, the main knuckle protector, you can see there's a little flex to that carbon. And it's also got a tunnel system. So when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of just pulling on the whole glove, it can kind of open up there, and it just makes it more comfortable. Perforation in between the fingers, along with a high perforated panel here on the back of the hand to promote airflow, keeps you a little cooler, more comfortable. Got a finger bridge that's used here to prevent pinky roll. Kangaroo palm. Silicone grip injected overlays, and now this is an area where this glove separates itself from the other two. This is the only of the three models that not only has an additional layer of wear protection here, but also on the braking fingers, okay, as well as the clutch fingers. Most people are going to brake with two fingers. These gloves, that's going to be the area that touches the bars. It's just going to help the glove wear longer. If you're a high miler, you want these things to last a long time, these patches are really going to help get that done. These gloves also include the Knox Palm Slider Scaphoid Protection System. What are those there for? Most of us, when we fall down instinctively, we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. It's instinctual. When you do that, standard leather or a textile glove and your palm contacts the pavement, asphalt, it can load the glove up, overwhelm the seams on the glove, or it can transmit a bunch of energy into your wrist. There's a little bone in there called the scaphoid. It's a very low blood flow bone. It's a common injury that gets damaged in a motorcycle / motorcycle road race crash, difficult to heal. For that reason, many seasons ago, Knox Armor came up with a slider system to help mitigate the risk of that injury in the event of a crash. Those are integrated into these gloves. They're made out of plastic. There's padding behind them, and they promote a slide. Can also help prevent a tumble, which is a bonus in a race or even a street crash. Very difficult to wear through those, so the abrasion resistance of the glove in that area is very high. Leather overlay here. This is kind of your low side impact zone, right? Helps to protect you in that spot. Safety strap here at the wrist keeps the glove on in the event of a crash. Adjuster here for the gauntlet. There is some shoulder Keprotec layer that's used in here to increase the abrasion resistance of the glove. All in all, this is a very protective, high quality package with a great fit and tons of feel. Full disclosure, we've acquired the distribution rights for Racer here in the US. This is a brand we've been retailing at Sportbike Track here for many seasons with great feedback. Our customers love these gloves we sell. Tons of them. Our friend Lee was retiring. The opportunity arose. Now we have a new small company that's distributing and supplying STG. It is Racer Gloves USA. My son Max has ownership in it along with me. We're proud to be partnered up with Racer and look forward to that opportunity for many years to come. If you have any questions about these gloves, leave them in the comment section of this video. Remember, I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.